Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Start with a clean slate. In this video, I will explain how to chrome on plastic using an easy method. First, ensure your plastic item is spotless. Wash it with warm soapy water, then rinse and dry completely. Next, gently sand the surface with a fine grit sandpaper, like 400 or 600 grit, to create a slightly rough texture. This helps the paint adhere better. Finally, use a tack cloth to remove any remaining dust, leaving a perfectly prepared surface. Now it's time for primer. Choose a primer specifically designed for plastic to ensure strong adhesion. Apply it in thin, even coats, holding the can about 8 to 10 inches away from the surface. Don't rush. Allow each coat to dry fully, usually around 15 to 20 minutes, before applying the next. 2 or 3 thin coats will create an excellent base for your chrome finish. With your primed surface ready, it's time for the star of the show, the chrome paint. Select a high-quality chrome spray paint specifically formulated for plastic. Apply it in very light, even passes, building up the shine gradually. Resist the urge to apply a thick coat, as this can lead to drips and a dull finish. Allow each coat to dry for about 30 minutes to 1 hour before applying the next, ensuring a brilliant, mirror-like effect. To ensure your new chrome finish lasts, a protective clear coat is essential. Choose a clear top coat that is compatible with your chrome paint to maintain its brilliant shine. Apply it in light, even coats, just as you did with the primer and chrome paint. This final layer will shield your work from scratches and environmental elements. Allow the clear coat to cure completely, ideally for at least 24 hours, for maximum durability and a long-lasting, stunning result.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.